Hello, Triangulum Galaxy Productions again. We're going down to True Bloodland again in Bon Temps, and we're going to make the Bon Temps Bloody Mary. So if you're in Merlottes Bar and you ask for a Bon Temps Bloody Mary, you'll get what I'm going to make in a minute. Right, here we go. I'm going to use some chilled tomato juice from the fridge, and I'm going to use about, I'll try to use the American measures. I'll use 6 ounces. We have 6 ounces of tomato juice. I'm just going to use a ordinary glass because I haven't got a, the cameraman's gone off on holiday with my cocktail shaker, so I haven't got a cocktail shaker. Right, I'm now going to use about 1.5 ounces of vodka, and we're going to feature Grey Goose vodka. Don't know why, but if I can go and do the top, that is. Right, okay. Right, okie dokie. I'm going to use some, oh Jesus, it's got a cork in it. Okay. There's a shot of vodka. Won't put too much in. I'll put all of it in. And we're now going to have half a teaspoonful of Worcester sauce. I've got the camera on the glass so you can see what I'm doing rather than having it on me. Right. Right, okay, well I'm just going to have a little bit of salt. I'll put it in my hand so as not to overdo it. It's ground pepper and a little bit of cayenne pepper. I put it, oh yeah, you see, always put it in your hand because you'll end up putting too much in if you don't have a little bit of control over it. Excellent, okay. I'm going to whisk it up. And taste it. Yeah, well, to my taste I need a little bit more, because I'm not a drunk. I'll have a little bit more tomato juice. There we go. Quite a simple thing to make. So I'm now going to put it in wine glass, and I'll stick a bit of basil in it just for a laugh and make it a nice garnish. I would probably use, in Bon Temps Bloody Mary, use a bit of green bean, but I would probably put a bit of celery stalk in it or something like that. Anyway, there we are, Bon Temps Bloody Mary. Let's have a quick. Excellent. Of course, it would be a Virgin Mary if it didn't have the vodka. Oh. Okay, well, we'll come back with something else shortly. Bye.